Understanding oligopoly markets unbalance. In simple terms, an oligopoly market is a type of market that has an unbalanced number of producer and consumer. General, the number of producer is less than the number of customer. In other words, an oligopoly market is a market condition where commodities are controlled by several companies. This makes price competition in the market unbalanced. Also, the oligopoly market is one of the unhealthy or imperfect market activities. In reality, in this type of market, competition between producers for the same product is very thick. This can happen because fellow producers maintain product quality so that their name or brand is not in, inferior to that of other producer. It can be said that an oligopoly market is a form of imperfect or unhealthy trade competition because some seller or producer already have many buyers. Characteristic of an oligopoly market. One consists of two or more companies. The first characteristic of an oligopoly market is that it consists of two or more companies. An oligopoly market can only be realized if the number of companies or producers is less than 10%. When this characteristic, imperfect trade competition will emerge because products that sell well in the market only come from producers or companies that have a name or brand that is already known by many people. 2. The product traded are usually homogeneous. The second characteristic of an oligopoly market is the product traded are homogeneous. Manufacturers usually only produce and sell one product. 3. Prices between products are almost the same. The next characteristic of an oligopoly market is in relative similar price of the product. The price of goods or service in this oligopoly market are not much different or can be said to be almost the same. The meaning of almost the same price is the price of a product or service sold by one producer with another producer is not much different. Almost the same price is caused by the number of producers that are not so many. For requires a mature marketing strategy, the next characteristic of an oligopoly market is a mature marketing strategy. In an oligopoly market, competition will be increasingly thick because there are very few producers playing in the product or goods produced are also few. Therefore, producers who have entered the oligopoly market must have a mature marketing strategy in order to be able to compete with other producers. 5. A rule from a company or producer can affect other producer. The influence on other producer caused by the policy of the main producer is a characteristic of oligopoly. In an oligopoly market, the main producer can be said to be the policy makers. Simple put, if a major producer determines the price of a product, then other producer will follow the price set by the major producer. 6. New producer will have difficulty entering the oligopoly market. The next characteristic of the oligopoly market is that new producer will find if this difficult to enter the oligopoly market, so that not a few new producer narrow the market, small profits, or even go bankrupt. However, on the other hand, maintaining a company in an oligopoly market is also not easy. Therefore, only a few producers are able to survive in oligopoly market. Types of oligopoly market. There are several types of oligopoly market, including 1. Pure oligopoly market. A pure oligopoly market is a market that only sells one item. Also, there is only one item. There are quite a lot of variants of the item. Meanwhile, the price of one item with another item is almost the same. 2. Non-collusion oligopoly market. A non-collusion oligopoly market is a market where if a company wants to manipulate the price of a good or service, it needs to pay attention to the condition or development that occur in other companies. 3. Collusive oligopoly market. An oligopoly market is a market where almost every producer or company cooperates. Usually, this cooperation step is taken when wanting to increase the price of a product or service. This can often will show that the company between one producer and another is not that far. This is a brief explanation of the meaning of oligopoly market, its characteristic, types, and example. Oligopoly market is a market condition that is only controlled by a few companies.